Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this cute doily earrings. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So today we are going to crochet this doily earrings. For this I am taking a crochet thread and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. So for row 1 we are doing a magic ring and then we'll crochet chain 3 and 19 double crochets on the magic ring. So this chain 3 is also considered as our double crochet. So once you crochet 19 double crochets, we tighten the magic ring and do a slip stitch on top of starting chain 3. So this will be our row 1. So row 1 consists of 20 double crochets. So we are done with 20 double crochets for our row 1. I am doing a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3 and then we'll be tightening our magic ring and securing it with a knot. So once we are done with this, we will proceed with row 2. For row 2 we'll crochet chain 3 and then add one more chain and then do a double crochet on the next stitch, chain 1 and then work a double crochet on the next stitch, chain 1 work a double crochet on the next stitch, chain 1. So we'll be working double crochets and chain 1 on each and every stitches and then we'll do a slip stitch on starting chain 3 to complete this row. So with this our row 2 is complete. We can proceed with our row 3. For row 3 we'll work a chain 3 which is considered as our first double crochet and then work a double crochet on our previous rows, chain 1 space and then work a double crochet on previous rows, double crochet and then work a double crochet on previous rows, chain 1 space, work a double crochet on previous rows, double crochet. So we'll be working a double crochet on each and every stitches around and then we'll do a slip stitch on top of starting chain 3 to finish this row 3. So at the end of row 3 we will have 40 double crochets and then we can start with row 4. For row 4 chain 1, work a single crochet on the same stitch, work a single crochet on the next stitch as well and then work chain 3, work single crochet on next 2 stitches, chain 3, work one single crochet each on next 2 stitches, chain 3, work 1 single crochet on next 2 stitches, chain 3 around, and then once you're done with this, do a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet. So with this, our row 4 is complete and our doily earrings is also complete. So you can cut the yarn and then secure it with the knot and cut off your excess yarn. So if you see, this is little bit wobbly, and so we need to stiffen it, so which is also called as blocking. For this I will be using 1 part of white glue and water, 1 part of water, and I will dip this doily in that and I will dry it for at least up to 24 hours, so which will give a little stiffness to our project. So to this I am attaching the hoops. So our doily earrings is now complete. You can also try this at home. It's very simple and easy, right? Try this and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.